Well, good morning. Another day here at the park. I've been in this area before with my 10-inch or my 11-inch coil. Found a couple of nickels back over toward that way and beyond by that oak tree over there. And it kind of got me on nickels. But I'm going to try it again with my 10-inch coil today, and I'm only going to dig good numbers. I've only got about an hour and a half to do it this morning, so we'll see how it goes. I might have us a penny here. Maybe I can get a decent plug out of this. Ground's pretty wet. There it is. Yeah, it looks like a penny there. Pretty corroded, pretty dirty. Yeah, I might have found us another penny. There it is. Yep. Sure enough. We got some copper showing there. Oh, we could have us a quarter here. Oh, can't see that, can you? Yep. Yes, sir. There it is. There it is, a quarter. That was a good find there. 24, 25 going here. And we'll see. Well, right, it ought to be at least a dime. But it's pretty close to this freshly planted tree here, and they got mulch around it, so. There it is. Looks like we've got ourselves a penny. All those numbers. Wow, I better check it some more, huh? A little confusing. It's showing good 25 to 30. So I'm going to dig it here. Well, but something's in here, huh? There it is. How about that? Well, it's a quarter. I'll be darned. Don't know if I'd have dug that or. Well, that's today's haul. 2 quarters and 3 pennies, and just a little bit of junk right there. And they came up that little piece of glass right here, broke a rock. That was when I was digging a coin. And this one was just a rolled over piece of aluminum. But that's about, I was out here about an hour and 15 minutes, so not bad, huh?